को सिगरेट का पैकेट दे दिया, किसी को रिवॉल्वर दे दिया. So anything which destroys the community or the body or the person to whom you are giving are tamasic gifts. I today will consider even giving a trans fat mithai is a tamasic gift because you are harming somebody else. So in Rajasic gift, the same Sattvic gift can be Rajasic if you are giving it for it's in the mind. You can still give fruits, can be a Rajasic if you are giving fruits with an idea, इससे काम निकलवाना है. That is a Rajasic. But Tamasic is gift is any gift which may you are giving it to somebody else which is going to harm his health or make him addict. Drug दे दी, heroin दे दिया, कुछ भी दे दिया.
Most of the gifts these days they are sweets actually, laddus, halwa.
Nowhere, see, the chini was not there in Mahabharata and Ramayana.
Yes.
Chini was not there. So when you talk about people say Lord Ganesha used to eat a lot of laddu, but those laddu was made of gur, not chini. Chini was not there. Tobacco is only 200 years old. Tobacco was not there. Trans fat was not there. Trans fat was not there. See, you say exclusive breastfeeding for 6 months, continue breastfeeding for 2 years. Okay, and in the breast milk there is no sugar or salt. So sugar and salt, you can live without sugar and salt for life. So at those era,
natural sugar and salt is there in every food.
In every fruit. Natural sugar. Otherwise, good.
Yeah.
So what I am trying to say is you cannot be trans fat, chocolate with sugar, mithai. Now what is mithai? If given a choice, water is 0% sugar, ORS is 2% sugar, 20 gram in 1 liter of fluid, in 100 gram 2 grams of sugar, so ORS is 2%. ORSL, which is energy drink, is
8%.
8%. Soft drinks are
12%.
12%. Okay. Mithai is 30%. And chasni wali mithai is 50% sugar. It's 50% sugar. So what I would do is either you take water, take ORS. If you don't take ORSL, dilute it 50%, half, you make it 4%. It's a good drink. 2 to 4% is ORS. Take any soft drink, say Limca. If you want to take a Limca, dilute it 4 times, make it 4%, take it. There's no harm. If you want a taste, there's no harm. I personally feel ORSL and Limca are the best ORS as long as you dilute them. You can dilute them with soda or with water. So diluted Limca and ORSL are the best hydration as well as for diarrheal treatments. So therefore, gift is tamasic gift, rajasic gift, sattvic gift, conditional gift, unconditional gift. And here comes doctor-pharma relationship. Gift has been defined very clearly. That even materialistic gift up to 1,000 rupees is fine. If you are greeting somebody, so suppose out of love and affection, income tax allows up to 50,000 rupees a year, and our ethics allows you 1,000 rupees at a time. That means up to 50 gifts you can have in a year. Either from everywhere, income tax defines it 50,000 rupees. So therefore, you will not give anybody with love and affection a hero cassette.
No.
If you are giving a hero cassette to somebody, कुछ ना कुछ दिमाग में है.
Yes, you're expecting something in return.
You may not be aware, but there is something in your mind. There is some, and that's what. So the gift. So in Raksha Bandhan is a festival of gift. And now, what is this?
Rakhi.
What is this? Anybody?
That is Raksha Bandhan.
What is this?
रक्षाबंधन का धागा के दो
मौली,
या मौली के
मौली और a धागा.
Yes.
I'm not talking about the rakhi.
हाँ,
What is the significance? So it has to be
tied around your
yes, and then one, and
not
then कब निकालूंगा? कब निकालूंगा? And what is the significance? So this is a reminder of your vouch. आपने जो कसम खाई है, ये उसका रिमाइंडर है. So reminder can be for a day. Reminder can be for 108 days, 1 month, full year. और रिमाइंडर कैन बी दैट अगर आपने यज्ञ किया और आपने कसम खाई कि मुझे ये करना है, जिस दिन काम कंप्लीट हो जाएगा उस दिन निकाल दो. टिल दैट इट्स रिमाइंडर कि मेरा काम इनकम्प्लीट है, मेरा काम इनकम्प्लीट है. इन रक्षाबंधन इट हैज टू बी टेकन आउट ऑन
Janmashtami day.
It has to, because Raksha Bandhan and Janmashtami are related to each other as a festival. Purification of mind.
अच्छा.
So Raksha Bandhan is you have purified your sexual desires. Once you have controlled your sexual desires, now you need to go into a process of learning meditation. And Krishna was the 8th son of Vasudeva and Devaki, and 8 is equivalent to 8 limbs of yoga. So you follow the first step, the second step, the third step, the fourth step, the fifth step, Dharana, Dhyan, Samadhi. As the 8th limb, when you have purified your mind and Krishna is born within you, the day Krishna will be born within you, what will happen? The turmoil of thoughts will settle down. समुद्र के ऊपर में पैर लगाते हैं, settle down हो जाता है. बेड़ियाँ टूट जाती हैं. What is बेड़ियाँ? All your attachments goes away. ठीक है? आपके सामने सारे दरवाजे खुल जाते हैं. You become open minded. सारे narrow minded आप चले जाते हो. ठीक है? काल कोठरी के अंदर में रोशनी आ जाती है. Means all your ignorance goes away. You know the real purpose of life, and Krishna is born within you. And that will happen only linked to Raksha Bandhan. So on the day of Raksha Bandhan, you take a vouch. I need a purification of my mind. From today, I'm controlling my perversions and sexual desires. This is the first one to go. I'm controlling my Nandi in terms of Shiva and Raksha Bandhan. And from today, I'm going to observe yogic lifestyle, 8 limbs of yoga. And on the day of Janmashtami, I will have Krishna within me. I will have Krishna within me, and I will be born as a Krishna with, who is Krishna? Neela Sharir, Pile Kapde, Hath Mein Bansuri. Neela Sharir means everything is possible. Yellow means I can do it. So for me, everything will be possible. I should be able to do it, but using the Bansuri. Bansuri is madhurta, humility, egoless. प्यार से मैं किसी को भी जीत